Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Grid in Snapchat. Grid lines are a fantastic tool to help you compose more balanced and visually appealing photos. They divide your screen into 9 equal sections, making it much easier to align your subjects and create a professional look. This simple feature can significantly improve the overall aesthetic of your Snapchat content, helping your snaps stand out. Let's get started. To activate the Grid feature, first, open the Snapchat application on your mobile device. Once it's open, tap the small gear icon located in the top right corner of your screen. This will take you to your settings. From there, scroll down until you find the Snap section, and then simply select Grid to toggle it on. It's a quick and easy process to set up. Now that your Grid is active, let's talk about composition. You can align your main subjects along the grid lines to create a balanced and harmonious shot. For even stronger focal points, try placing key elements at the intersections of these lines, effectively using the rule of thirds. This technique helps draw the viewer's eye naturally, making your snaps more engaging and professional. In summary, incorporating grid lines into your Snapchat photography is a powerful way to elevate your content. It's a simple yet effective tool for improving composition and creating visually stunning snaps. By consistently practicing with the grid, you'll develop a keen eye for photography, making your pictures look more professional and engaging. Give it a try and see the difference.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.